Go, love, yeah. Go, go, love, yeah. Go, go, love, yeah. Go, go, love.
Sabi nila, as long as you're enjoying your job, worth it ang lahat ng pagod. As long as you are passionate in what you're doing, every task is fulfilling. Tulad na lamang ng hair and makeup artist / YouTuber and vlogger na si Chloe Miranda. Estudyante pa lamang ay hilig na niya ang pag-a-apply ng makeup sa sarili at sa kanyang mommy. Fashion through hairstyling, application of makeup at nail styling na kanyang naging bread and butter.
Fulfilling siya kasi nararamdaman namin na nagiging masaya yung ibang tao pag napapaganda namin sila. Masaya kami every time na napapaganda namin yung ibang tao kasi worth it lahat ng pagod namin. Hindi namin nararamdaman na binabayaran kami because it's our passion.
Naisipan niyang ibahagi ang kanyang experience and knowledge through workshops na sinimulan niya this year. Kung dati nga ay through online or one-on-one lang ang paraan ng kanyang pagtuturo, ngayon ay nagagawa na niyang magpa-workshop through classes.
Makeup workshop to share my knowledge and skills to other people, lalo na sa mga aspiring makeup artists na gusto nilang gawing business ito, and sa mga passionate about this business na hindi pa nila alam kung paano mag-makeup and different techniques. This is a way to share my blessings to other people.
Exciting ito para sa maraming nais matuto, lalo na't kumpleto ang materials at procedures during training.
So, yung inclusion sa workshop namin, we have vanity mirror, makeup brushes, certificate, handouts, and we have activity. So, tuturo muna namin yung step-by-step application ng makeup and different skincare techniques. And after that, magkakaroon kami ng hands-on activity. Yung mga tuturo namin sa kanila, gagawin din nila sa sarili nila yon. Yung uses na makeup tools and brushes, hygiene and skincare techniques, step-by-step makeup application, contouring and blending techniques, different eyeshadow styles and application, and best makeup for different skin type, corrective makeup, how to do their brows, and how to put false eyelashes. So, lahat yung matututunan nila sa aming makeup workshop.
Ibang araw ang pakiramdam ni Chloe bilang trainer dahil mula sa puso ang kanyang pagturo para sa mga nais matuto nito.
Make sure that you want to help other people. Hindi lang para kumita ka ng pera, is para mag-share ka ng skills and knowledge and blessings sa ibang tao. Once na nakapag-share ka sa kanila and naging successful sila doon, they will never forget you.
And soon, you are going to be HMUA at your service. Magiging presentable ka na sa harap ng marami, feeling pretty and young ka pa. Basta't sinusunod nga raw ang gusto sa buhay at passionate ka sa craft mo, aasenso ka. Pop na pop!